Hey there. So this car got an ABS light on, and when I put my scan to, I saw open or short circuit front speed sensor ROH circuit. So this means it is at the right passenger side. So I went over to pull off the sensor, which is at the right. So you only need a 10 millimeter bolt and piece of screwdriver just to get off the dust cover on top of the car. So I've done that and I've pulled out the sensor. And what I noticed is that the wires, the connection of the wires are rusted a little bit. So I pulled it out and I had to go over to clean off the rust in the wire. This is because it might have gotten affected by water or moisture. So let's go over to starting up the car and see what we have. But first of all, we'll have to scan the car again and clear up the fault code, which is what I'm doing now. So the codes are going to remain until we clear it out. Then you see that the traction ABS light has gone. As you can see, only the hub sensor has gone out, and the ABS light is also off the screen. So do not forget to like the channel and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. See you guys next time.